welcome. So if this is your first time here, my name's Emer and my business page is Beauty Box Emer, and if you've already subscribed, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do a natural brow. This is just using powder, and at the end of it I went ahead and did a wee bit of gel. So hopefully you'll like it. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. First of all, I'm just going to brush up the hairs using a wee spoolie. Like so. Use the Revolution powder. It comes with a wee gel, but I use it all the time. I'm just going to use this one here. And I'm taking a powder and pout brush, the P410. Just taking a good amount on your brush. And I'm just lightly draw on. I'm just lightly filling in. Look down in my mirror too when I'm doing it. If you're making any mistakes, don't worry, you can go on there with concealer and you can clean it up. So now when I have everything lightly around the front area, I'm just going to go up to the top. And now I'm going to my arch. So my arch is here and my tail is here. Making feathery strokes. I'm just going up the way with it, like so. So now I'm going on the other eye. So I'm just going to go 3/4 in. I look down my mirror when I'm doing it. Like so. And now I'm going to go up to the top. And then my arch. And down my tail. So I'm going to go up to the front of my brow. So now I'm going on with my Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Ivory. I'm just going to put a wee bit on, like so. I'm using any wee brush. Eyebrows done, and I like to go in then with a wee eyebrow gel, but you don't have to do this if you want to keep it natural. This is the finished look, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!